The people who are calling other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for their supplications, Allah mentions their example in Holy Quran. Allah says, Lahu da'watul haq. It is Allah alone to whom it belongs the supplication of truth. وَالَّذِينَ يَدْعُونَ مِن دُونِهِ لَا يَسْتَجِيبُونَ لَهُمْ بِشَيْءٍ. Allah says, those they are invoking other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they do not respond them for anything. Illa kabasiti kaffayhi ilal ma liyablugha fa. Allah says, if someone is stretching his hands towards water and considering that water will reach in his mouth only by stretching his hands, wama huwa bibalighihi. Allah says, in fact, water would never reach in the mouth of calling person. In the same way, whom they are invoking beside Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it is as impossible that they will respond your supplication as the water cannot reach only by stretching hands. Both these things are impossible in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's why all the supplication should be put in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He is alone who is responding all kinds of supplication. None other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can respond for any kind of supplication.